Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a twist-a-stitch. So first you're going to create a slip knot. Then you're going to start chaining until you get enough for your project. Once you've chained enough, you're going to make 3 rows of single crochets. Once you've done 3 rows, you're going to chain 1 and then turn your work around. Then you're going to do 1 single crochet in the first 3 stitches. Then, instead of doing the next stitch, you're going to go to the stitch down in this row, directly underneath the top one. Then you're going to yarn over twice, then insert your hook into that stitch. Then you're going to draw up a loop, then pull a loop through 2, then pull a loop through 2, then pull another loop through the last 2. Then you're just going to do 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. After the 3 single crochets, you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to go down, you're going to find your stitch, then you're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook into that stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2, and then you're going to do 3 more single crochets. You're going to continue this process doing 1 twist every 3 stitches until you get to the end of the row. Once you get to the end of the row, then you're going to chain 1. Then you're going to turn your work around and do a whole row of single crochets. Once you get to the end, you're going to chain 1 again, turn your work around, and you're going to make the first 3 stitches single crochets. Once you've done 3 single crochets, you're going to yarn over twice, and you're going to go into the stitch that's directly behind your twist. So you're going to insert your hook, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Then you're going to do 3 more single crochets. Once again, yarn over twice, go into the stitch behind the twist. Insert the hook, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and do 3 more single crochets. So you're just going to continue this. After this row, you're going to do a row of single crochets, and then you're going to do for the next row 3 single crochets, 1 twist, 3 single crochets, 1 twist, and in the end your work is going to look like this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please remember to like and subscribe.